Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see what is Chocolatey. So, Chocolatey is a command line package manager for Windows. So, what do you mean by package manager for Windows? So, if you want to install any software in Windows, normally what is the procedure we follow? We will search in the Google for particular software and we will go to the official website of that particular website and we will go to the download section. There we can download that particular software. Then we will get exe file into our download folder. We'll go to the download folder. We will double click on that particular exe file and we will follow the instructions and we will install. This is the normal procedure to install any software in the Windows. But with the Chocolatey, without going to that particular website, you can directly download or install the software which you want from the command prompt. Okay, this is very easy to install any software. So as part of this video, so we'll see what is Chocolatey, how to install Chocolatey, how to check Chocolatey installed or not in your machine. So once Chocolatey is installed, you can install any software by using Chocolatey. Here we will see Notepad++, we will install. Okay, so first we will check whether the Chocolatey is installed in our machine or not. For that, go to command prompt or PowerShell in your Windows machine. So I'll search here PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell. So here you just simply type Choco, CHOCO, okay, and hit enter. You see that you will get an error like this. The term Choco is not recognized as the name of a commandlet function or script file, whatever it is. So it is not able to identify that. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to the official website of Chocolatey. So this is the official website. What is this? I'll put the official website here. You see that chocolatey.org. So go to this particular URL. You see that the package manager for Windows. So it will say modern software automation. Okay. So not only the purpose of Chocolatey is install softwares from the command prompt for Windows, but the usage is very broad. You can go to this website and you can get more information on this. You see that you can install in the some in the cloud also. You can simply install these softwares. Okay, so if you want to know more information about this Chocolatey, just go to the official website chocolatey.org. So here first we'll try to install and give me 1 second. So what if you go to this particular location, chocolatey.org/courses/getting started/what is Chocolatey. Okay, so this is another URL. You can go to here to know more information about Chocolatey. You see that the features you can get and the common thoughts, and left side you have some information. You can get more information here. If you want to know more, you can directly come to this URL and you can know. So but here I want to install Choco and we have seen that Choco is not installed. When you go to this, you see that Choco is not installed. And you just click install now button here. So you'll come to this web page, chocolatey.org/install. So when you come down here, you see that Chocolatey install. With PowerShell, you must ensure get execution policy is not restricted. So if you want to install, you just first you check this get execution policy, copy this, go to use PowerShell, paste here, and then hit enter. You see that you got restricted. So you cannot install directly. So you have to give the permission to run some commands. So for that, you see if it returns restricted, set execution policy all signed. Okay. You can set that, and this is the command set execution policy scope bypass force, and you can have some, this is a big command, you need to run this command. So you can directly run this command as in the starting point. It already said that. Okay. You see set execution policy bypass hyphen scope process. Okay. So you see that, then run set execution policy all signed or set execution policy bypass scope process. So this is already there in the command. So we'll try to copy this and run. If it is not working, then we'll set externally. Okay. You see that when you hover on this, copy to clipboard. I'll just click on this. You see copied. Go to the same PowerShell. Here paste and then enter. You see that installing Chocolatey in the machine. Install of Chocolatey to default folder requires administrative permission. Please run from elevated prompt. Please see Chocolatey.install, something like that. So if you get this kind of information, what you do, you set the execution policy all signed. I'll copy this and I'll paste set execution policy all signed, then hit enter. Execution policy change. The execution policy helps protect you from script that you do not trust. So here, do you want to change the execution policy? It is asking me. So I'll say Y, put capital Y and enter. So still I'm getting access to the registry key. HKey local machine software is denied. To change the execution policy for the default scope, start Windows PowerShell with the run as administrator. Okay. So it is asking me to run as administrator. So I'll exit this and I'll again search for the PowerShell. So once you get the PowerShell, right click, you say run as administrator. So it will ask you for the to open this user account control. Just click yes. So this is the one with the administrative permission. Okay. So now directly, now I'll try with the copy, the same thing without execution policy. As I'm an administrator now, we'll see if still getting the problem with this, then we can do externally. I think it is now executing. So it's done. Chocolatey is now ready. Okay. So you need to run your PowerShell with administrative permission. Then you can easily install the software. Okay. Now I'll clear everything. Now again I'll check Choco is installed in my machine or not. Previously when you type Choco, you got some error. Now we'll see. You see that Chocolatey 0.10.15 version is installed in your machine. Okay. So this is Choco we installed. Now we have seen that how to install Chocolatey. But whether the Chocolatey is installed or not, how to check? So one is, you have seen this from the command prompt, and there are some other ways. So what you need to do, you go to the, so I'll write here. The first one is run the Choco command in the command prompt. Command prompt or PowerShell. Okay. So the second one is go to program data. There you can see one of the folders called Chocolatey. Okay. This is another way. And one more is you can see in the environment variables. Okay. Check in the environment variables. We'll see one by one. We already seen that with the Choco command. Now we'll go to this PC C drive. So by default, you will not see that program data. So for that, go to the view. You have a checkbox called hidden items. Just check this. The moment when you check, you will see that program data. When you open this, you see that Chocolatey folder. If you find this Chocolatey folder, then the Chocolatey is installed in your machine. So this is second way. And the last way is go to the environment variables. Right click on this PC. Okay. And this PC, right click, go to the properties and advanced system settings and go to environment variables. Here you can see that Chocolatey last path update, something like you will get here. And you see that here Chocolatey install, where it is installed, program data / Chocolatey, the location where we have seen. So you will get something like this information. If you see something like this, then the Chocolatey is installed in your machine. Okay. This is how you'll come to know. I'll say okay, okay, and I'll close. And now what we thought. So install any software using Chocolatey. For example, we'll try to install Notepad++ in my machine. So when you check Notepad, you see that I'm getting Notepad, but I do not have Notepad++ in my machine. Okay. So we'll try to install Notepad++. So for that, what we need to do, before that, if you go to the official website, you see that find packages in the main page, in the main website page only, we will find packages. When you click find packages, it will list all the softwares available under Chocolatey you can install. You see that Adobe Acrobat Reader, Flash Player, even you can download, you can install browsers, Google Chrome, Flash Player, you can install Java, you can install Firefox, something like that. You will have n number of softwares here. So you come here and search Notepad++. can hit enter. You see that Notepad++ plugin manager. You can see that Notepad++ 7.8.9. Okay, you can install this one. But the normal procedure, what we will do, we'll go to google.com and we will search, otherwise download and install Notepad++. Then you will go to the download section of Notepad++ and you can click on this. Then it will, when you click on this, you see that download. When you click on download, you will get the exe file and you can double click on that. You can install. That is the normal procedure. But I do not want to do all these things. So now I'll go to this Chocolatey. You see that Choco install Notepad++. That's it. Simple command. If you have Choco already installed, you can simply install Notepad++ like this. So I'll copy this and I'll go to my PowerShell. I'll paste here. Okay. So otherwise, you can search here also. Chocolatey, search Notepad. When you hit enter, it will give you some information here. So which is starts with Notepad++ some Notepad. So if you check here, Notepad, you see that Notepad++. You see available softwares also it will give you with Choco search. If you don't know exact package name, the exact package name is Notepad++, but I am not very sure that package name. So you can search like this, whatever starts with or containing Notepad, it will display all these things. From here you can come to know that this is Notepad++. Okay, this is Choco search Notepad. So but from here I came to know Notepad++. So I'll copy here, this copied, come here. So Control V, paste and hit enter. So it started executing. It will take bit time. So it is running some commands. So once it is done, it will ask you to, do you want to run the script? Okay, it will have to run some script to install Notepad++. So I can directly say here yes and hit enter. We put just Y. You see that for yes, Y, enter. You see that installing 64-bit Notepad++. Again, it is asking for some one more thing. So put Y, enter, and it's done. Okay. The install of Notepad++ was successful. Okay. So you successfully installed Notepad++ in your machine without going to that particular official website of Notepad++, and you have not downloaded any exe file. Okay. So now if you go to Chocolatey folder, you see that you will get one more folder .chocolatey. If you open this, you can see that related to Notepad++, it installed Notepad++ and Notepad++ .install, something like that. Okay. So you can see here also Notepad++ installed or not. Right. So now done. I want to check whether it is installed or not in my machine. So previously when I search Notepad++, you see that now I'm seeing Notepad and I'm seeing Notepad++ here. Previously when I search, I have not seen this option. If you click on this, you see Notepad++ installed in my machine. Okay. So this is how you can use Chocolatey, means you can download Chocolatey in your machine, and it is a package manager. You can install any software using this from the command prompt, and very easy, right? And we have seen whether the Chocolatey is successfully installed in our machine or not. So we have checked whether it is installed or not using the command prompt and by going to the program data. Otherwise it is from the environment variables. After that, as an example with the Chocolatey, so for example, what is that command? I can say Control V. Yeah, Choco install Notepad++. Example command. So with this single command, I installed Notepad++ in my machine. Okay. So this is the brief information about the Chocolatey and how to install Chocolatey and where to check that installed or not, and how to install a particular software using this Chocolatey. Okay. This is very helpful, and if you are downloading or installing all these things, try this and you will feel very comfortable. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for further interesting updates.